Cuphead and his pal Mugman, they like to roll.
In this video, I'll show you how to download and play Cuphead on your mobile device in 2025. So if you've ever wanted to enjoy this classic game, here's how to do it safely and easily. To get started, you'll need to access the Flex Store as Cuphead is not available on the official Play Store or App Store. Now open your browser and go to flexstore.com. Once you're on the site, tap the Get button, then hit the share icon in your browser and choose Add to Home Screen. This will add the Flex Store app to your device. Next, open the Flex Store from your home screen and tap Add Device to begin the setup. Allow the permissions, go to Settings, then General, then click Profile Downloaded and install the Flex Store configuration profile. Once this is complete, your device will be connected to Flex Store. Now return to the Flex Store, go to the App section and search for Cuphead. Tap on the Cuphead icon and select Install. Make sure your mobile device has at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth performance. And after a short wait, the installation prompt will appear. Tap Install again and the game will begin downloading. Once installed, open Cuphead and you're ready to play. The mobile version is fully optimized for touch controls, but you can also connect a Bluetooth controller for a more traditional experience. You'll get the full game, including all boss fights, run-and-gun levels, and that iconic jazz soundtrack right on your mobile device. But just a note, Flex Store requires a valid certificate to install third-party apps. If you don't already have one, Flex Store offers developer certificates at a low cost. And that's it. That's how you can play Cuphead on mobile without jailbreaking or complicated setups.